What if one small vacuum could rescue your car from crumbs, pet hair, and hidden dust in minutes? Today, we're counting down 7 powerful portable cordless vacuums that make everyday cleaning faster and easier. Welcome back to the channel. Stay with us to discover which options deliver the power, versatility, and convenience worth your money. And if one catches your eye, you'll find the product links in the description below. DeWalt 20 volts handheld vacuum review. A car floor can hide an astonishing amount of dirt, until you finally look underneath the seats. That's where the DeWalt 20 volts handheld vacuum changes the cleanup game. Built for quick, targeted cleaning, this cordless car vacuum combines strong suction with a HEPA filter to capture fine debris. The 6 attachments add flexibility, while the integrated LED light helps expose crumbs and dust hiding in dark corners. There's no tangled cord, so moving between your vehicle, workshop, stairs, or workbench feels refreshingly simple. It's also compact enough for everyday messes without dragging out a full-size shop vacuum. Compared with a basic handheld vacuum, the DeWalt DCV501HB feels more job site ready and versatile. The downside? It's dry only, and the battery and charger are sold separately, which increases the initial cost if you don't already own DeWalt 20 volts batteries. It's a smart pick for DeWalt users, car owners, DIYers, and anyone needing fast cleanup. When the mess appears unexpectedly, this little vacuum is ready to turn chaos into clean in minutes. A dirty car can quietly ruin the feeling of driving it, yet cleaning tight spaces is often a frustrating chore. That's where the Fantic Slim V10 Ultra changes the routine. With up to 19 kilopascals suction and 2 power modes, it tackles crumbs, dust, pet hair, and everyday debris without dragging around a bulky vacuum. The slim design slips between seats, around consoles, and into those annoying corners full-size cleaners miss. The freely combinable accessories add flexibility, making it useful beyond the car for keyboards, desks, drawers, and other small jobs. For anyone searching for a best cordless car vacuum, this compact approach is genuinely practical. Compared with a larger handheld vacuum, it sacrifices some capacity and extended cleaning power, but gains portability and convenience. It's especially suited to drivers who want quick cleanups rather than full interior detailing. If you value easy storage, focused suction, and versatile attachments, the V10 Ultra deserves a look. Sometimes, a cleaner car begins with one small tool that's ready before the mess gets comfortable. Shark Every Mess 3-in-1 Wet/Dry Vac and Stain Eliminator Review. A tiny spill can turn into a full-blown cleaning battle before you even notice it. That's where the Shark Every Mess 3-in-1 Wet/Dry Vac earns attention. Built for wet messes, dry debris, and stubborn stains, it brings serious versatility to everyday cleanup. Its stain force technology targets dirty spots, while the 4 included tools help tackle carpets, upholstery, hard floors, and those frustrating crumbs hiding inside your car. For anyone searching for a best cordless car vacuum experience, its multi-surface design is especially useful when you want one machine for seats, mats, and household messes. Compared with a traditional cordless car vacuum, this Shark offers broader wet and dry cleaning capability, though its extra functionality can mean more cleanup and maintenance afterward. Pet owners, busy families, and drivers who regularly deal with spills should take a close look. The included cleaning solution adds convenience, too. It isn't the simplest option, but when messes refuse to stay small, having the right tool can make cleanup feel remarkably lighter. A tiny vacuum can solve a surprisingly big problem: the mess hiding in your car. Crumbs under seats, pet hair on upholstery, and dust trapped in tight corners can make a clean interior feel impossible. That's where the Boston Handheld Vacuum Cordless steps in. With 8 kPa suction, it tackles everyday debris without the bulk of a traditional vacuum. The cordless design makes quick cleanups effortless, while the included accessories help reach narrow gaps, dashboards, seats, and home surfaces. Compared with a basic corded car vacuum, Boston offers more freedom and noticeably less hassle. Its lightweight build and low noise operation are especially useful for quick touch-ups. There are trade-offs. Its compact size means it isn't designed for heavy-duty deep cleaning, and frequent users will need to recharge it. Who should buy it? Drivers, pet owners, apartment dwellers, and anyone wanting a practical best cordless car vacuum option for everyday messes. Sometimes, a cleaner space starts with simply grabbing the right tool before the mess gets bigger. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum Review. Pet hair can turn a clean car seat into a furry mess before you even notice it. That's where the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum 2390A makes a practical difference. Start with the everyday problem. Full-size vacuums are awkward for quick cleanups, while weak handhelds can struggle with stubborn pet hair. This compact cordless vacuum uses a lithium-ion battery for consistent power and is designed to tackle upholstery, carpets, furniture, and vehicle interiors. What stands out? Its pet-focused design makes removing hair from seats and fabric much less frustrating. For drivers who want a best cordless car vacuum option that's easy to grab and store, it's especially convenient. Compared with a basic handheld car vacuum, the Pet Hair Eraser is more specialized for fur pickup, though its runtime and compact dust capacity may limit longer cleaning sessions. Who should buy it? Pet owners, commuters, and anyone frequently cleaning car upholstery will appreciate its convenience. Less mess, fewer struggles, and a cleaner ride. Sometimes a small vacuum can rescue your entire day. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster 20 volts Hand Vacuum Review. A clean car can feel impossible when crumbs and grit keep hiding in every corner. That's where the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster 20 volts steps in. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of dragging a bulky vacuum around, while powerful suction quickly tackles everyday messes on seats, carpets, dashboards, and floor mats. The real standout is versatility. The extendable crevice tool reaches narrow gaps, and the flip-up brush helps loosen stubborn dust before suctioning it away. The charging base also keeps the vacuum ready between cleanups. For drivers searching for a best cordless car vacuum, this model makes sense if you want something compact, rechargeable, and simple for frequent touch-ups. However, its battery runtime may feel limited during deep cleaning, and a full-size vacuum can deliver stronger sustained power. Compared with a larger shop-style cordless vacuum, the Dustbuster wins on convenience and portability. It's ideal for commuters, families, and anyone tired of messy interiors. Sometimes, a 5-minute cleanup is all it takes to make your car feel fresh again. One messy car ride can create a cleaning problem that feels impossible to catch up with. Crumbs hide under seats, pet hair clings to fabric, and dust settles into every tiny gap. That's where this 6-in-1 cordless car vacuum gets interesting. Its 700 watts brushless motor delivers up to 50 kPa suction, while the 21 volts 8000 mAh battery gives you the freedom to clean without dragging a cord around. And it's more than a vacuum. With blower functionality and multiple attachments, it can tackle dashboards, keyboards, upholstery, tight spaces, and stubborn pet hair. Compared with a basic cordless car vacuum, the extra versatility is a major advantage. The trade-off? A powerful motor can mean more noise, and extended high-power cleaning may drain the battery faster. Who should buy it? Drivers, pet owners, families, and anyone wanting one portable cleaner for both home and vehicle use. For anyone searching for the best cordless car vacuum, this one offers impressive power and flexibility, but its real value comes when everyday messes need a quick escape. Sometimes, cleaner spaces begin with one effortless pass.